Welcome back to WEM World Explorer Mind, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. This is WEM World Explorer Mind, and every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world, from hidden histories to global game changers. You're watching WEM World Explorer Mind. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 1, Beijing is China's political, cultural, and educational capital. It's an ideal choice for people who appreciate history and culture, as it's home to iconic landmarks like the Forbidden City, the Summer Palace, and the Great Wall. The city also has a massive commercial district with numerous job opportunities. While the cost of living is high, especially for housing, it offers big city conveniences and a vibrant atmosphere. Number 2, Shanghai is China's most commercially developed and largest city. It's known for being a global financial hub and offers a diverse modern lifestyle. It's a great place for expats as it blends Western and Eastern traditions. The city is very safe, with a highly organized and extensive public transportation system. Shanghai can have issues with air and water pollution, as well as traffic, but it remains a top choice for those seeking a dynamic, international environment. Number 3, Shenzhen, a former fishing village, is now a major technology and innovation hub. It's one of China's wealthiest cities and is an excellent place for those looking to advance their careers or start a business. The city has a modern, clean, and optimistic atmosphere. It's also known for its delicious seafood and numerous attractions like the Ping An Finance Center and the Window of the World theme park. Number 4, Guangzhou is famous for its delicious Cantonese cuisine and proximity to Hong Kong and Macau. Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, is known for its laid-back lifestyle and being a paradise for foodies. The cost of living is relatively affordable compared to larger cities like Beijing and Shanghai. It's also famous for being the home of the giant panda, with the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding being a major attraction. The city has a rich history and culture, with numerous temples, historical streets, and a famous tea house culture. Number 5, Hangzhou is a city of historical significance and a leading center for technology. Home to companies like Alibaba, it is known for its beautiful scenery, including the famous UNESCO World Heritage Site, Westlake. The city has excellent air quality, green pathways, and a strong focus on sustainable living. It offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, and is conveniently located less than an hour from Shanghai by bullet train. Number 6, Dalian is a highly livable coastal city with a pleasant climate and a beautiful natural environment. It's known as one of China's cleanest major cities and is a popular tourist destination due to its many beaches and green spaces. Dalian is a haven for food lovers, particularly seafood, and has a strong Japanese and Korean influence. The cost of living is not as high as in other major Chinese cities. Number 7, Qingdao is another coastal city with a long history as an expat hub due to its former German colonial influence. The city is famous for being the birthplace of Tsingtao beer and boasts beautiful German-style architecture. It has a well-established expat community and is consistently ranked as one of China's most livable cities. Due to its safety and pleasant environment, Number 8, Xiamen is a smaller, more relaxed coastal city compared to the major metropolises. It's known for being one of China's most livable cities due to its high level of personal safety, excellent air quality, and abundant green spaces. Xiamen has a pleasant climate and beautiful parks and beaches. It's a popular tourist destination for Chinese nationals and has a vibrant economy. Number 9, Chongqing is a unique city built among mountains and rivers. It's known for its low cost of living, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. The city is a paradise for food enthusiasts, particularly those who love spicy food, as it's the home of the famous Chongqing hot pot. While it can be hot and humid, it has a modern infrastructure and stunning night views of the Yangtze River. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. Number 10, Guangzhou, formerly Canton, is a bustling megacity with a long history as a port city. It's a hub for international business and is one of China's most technologically advanced cities. It's a great fit for those who thrive on the energy of a big, vibrant city. There are many excellent cities to live in China, each with its own unique characteristics. The best city often depends on a person's priorities, such as career opportunities, cost of living, lifestyle, or climate. Here are 10 of the most popular and highly rated cities. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.